When you search for the best air fryer grill combos, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. First up, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced around $158.04. This caught my attention not just for its sleek stainless steel design, but for its versatility. If you want an appliance that can air fry, toast, convection bake, and more, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1800 watts power means it heats up quickly, and with its Air Advantage technology, you'll get crispy results without deep frying. It has a spacious 0.6 cubic feet capacity, which means you can air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings or roast a 4lb chicken. Plus, the 60-minute timer with auto shutoff makes it easy to set and forget. With over 7,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear many people love it. Now, some people complained about the size. It might feel a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, it's perfect. It can still handle decent-sized meals without taking up too much counter space. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one cooking solution without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you often cook for large gatherings though. For the price, the value is pretty solid. Now, if you're concerned about that limited capacity, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Next, we have the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, priced at $89.99. This one really stood out because of its TurboBlaze technology and user-friendly features. If you want a powerful air fryer that makes cooking quick and easy, this is definitely worth considering. It heats up to 450 degrees F, which is great for achieving that crispy texture you're after. Plus, the PFAS-free ceramic coating means less sticking and healthier meals. With a remarkable 4.8-star rating from over 20,700 reviews, it's a crowd favorite. Now, some users mentioned that the noise level could be a bit high. I'll be real with you, it can be noticeable, but it's not unbearable. If you're cooking in a busy kitchen, you probably won't even notice it. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and efficient way to air fry and roast. Skip this if noise is a deal breaker for you, but for the price, you're getting a lot of features packed in. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for large air fryer needs. Product number 3, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Now let's talk about the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, retailing for $279.99. This caught my eye because it doubles as both an indoor grill and air fryer. If you're looking for something that delivers authentic grill flavors indoors, this is a strong contender. It has a smart cook system with a thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking, perfect for anyone who struggles with meat doneness. It fits up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs, making it ideal for family dinners. Plus, with a 4.7-star rating from 15,200 reviews, it's well loved. Now, some people found the price a bit steep for what you get. However, I think the functionality and quality make it worth every penny, especially if you frequently entertain or have a big family. This is perfect for you if you love the grill flavor but need an indoor solution. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, more compact appliance, but it offers great value for the features. Now, if the higher price bothered you, the next option might fit your budget better. Product number 4, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro. Up next is the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro, priced at $199.99. I was drawn to this product because of its dual functionality as a grill and griddle combo. If you want a powerful grill that can handle anything from pancakes to steaks, this is a fantastic choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 500 degrees F independently powered grill grate allows for edge-to-edge searing, which means your food cooks more evenly and tastes better. It offers 7 cooking functions, including air crisping and roasting, making it extremely versatile. Plus, the smart thermometer helps you nail the perfect doneness, which is a game changer for meat lovers. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews, it's quite popular. Now some users found the learning curve a bit steep due to its many options. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the range of cooking styles it can cover. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with different cooking methods. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward appliance, but for those who love to cook, it's worth every penny. Finally, if you're looking for something larger, the next product has a massive capacity. Product number 5, NuWave Bravo XL Pro. Last but not least is the NuWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $229.99. This one grabbed my attention because of its impressive 30-quart capacity and multitude of presets. If you want an all-in-one solution that can replace your main oven, this might be the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts 142 cooking presets, which means you can bake, grill, or air fry with just a touch of a button. The ultra-fast convection system ensures even cooking, and it claims to be 35% crispier than your average air fryer. With a 4.4-star rating from 2,100 reviews, it's a solid choice for larger families. Now, some users mention that it can be bulky on the countertop. But honestly, that size is what allows it to do so much, so if you have the space, it's a great investment. This is perfect for you if you need something that can handle large meals without fuss. Skip this if you're tight on space, but the value you get for the versatility is hard to beat. So there you have it. We covered the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, Cosori TurboBlaze, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill, Ninja Foodi Smart XL Pro, and NuWave Bravo XL Pro. Each one has its strengths, whether it's versatility, capacity, or unique cooking technology. Depending on what you need, one of these air fryer grill combos can definitely make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable.